Ciao, mi dolci grandchildrini. It's me, your hip, friendly neighbor Nonna, and I will be teaching you how to make a secret recipe for pasta sauce. Perfect for lunchtime, dinner time, anytime. Well, I guess it's not the secret anymore. But I saw your baby pictures, so I guess now we're even in knowing of secrets. Okay, the first thing. Nonna, I want to make the pasta this time. What? It's time for me to make things better and make the best pasta. Oh, 20th century Italy, I forgot you're going through your rebellious phase right now, and you want to be independent. It's Fascist Italy, Nonna. Only the frickin' nuns call me 20th century Italy. Ah! You don't speak to me that way, you little merda. Ow! And you have a nickname now, huh? Just like your little band, what was it? Perpendicular Powers. Axis Powers, Nonna, and they're my friends. Anyway, just let me cook just this once. Fine. I guess I ought to let you be more independent every once in a while if I ever get another successful grandchild. You just want us all to be like Rome. See? You just won't admit it. Wait. You actually did. Well, I'm the closest. No, you're just a try-hard wannabe. Just let me cook. Oh, fine. This will be a nightmare. It's kind of a meme that Italy's army sucked in World War II, but not many people know exactly why. This week on Blitzfeed Inconclusive, we'll explore the evidence surrounding the fascist Italian army in our ongoing investigation into the question, why did this suck?
Into the question, are ghosts real? However, tonight...
Sorry for that pause, I was trying to be all dramatic and spooky. You know what? This is dumb. And I'm hungry. So let's get cooking. Oh hey Nonna, what you making? Oh Muzzy, my favorite non-biological grandchild. Sadly I'm not cooking today. What? Yes, this little merda decided that he can be better than me. What? Nonna, why does this guy even live here? He isn't even related to you. Well, we're Italians and he's Polish. Us minorities ought to stick it together with all this climate towards the immigrants nowadays. That stuff's really bad, but I don't think we should be the ones worrying about that. Like, we should help them, but... Hush! First the Jews, now the Muslims, and all the Mexicans. Why, they're just kicking out all the cool people. Anyway, so let's take a look at this recipe you're making, Fascist Italy. Thank you. I'm just trying to make a recipe that's a self-portrait that represents me because I am a true artist. Well, if you're emo, shouldn't you have, like, low self-esteem or something? No, emo is all about emotions, idiot. And right now, my dominant emotion is ego. Is that even an emotion? Just shut up and watch me make pasta. You're a humanities nerd. Look for all the symbolism or whatever it is you do. Fine, I guess I will. Great, but not because I want to. Sure. So first we're gonna have to start with the pasta. If you use that box crap under my roof, I will throw you out of this house. I might even kill you. Right, I get it, Nonna. Can you just leave me alone? You're distracting me. I want to surprise you for once. Alright. They grow up so fast. So if you're not gonna use box pasta, what are you gonna use? That's a stupid question. You made that? With your hands? Yes, of course. Nonna taught me well, and I, Fascist Italy, still have the foundations and cultural roots of Italy and all its beauty. Not to brag, but we're pretty awesome. Well, like Solera said, you may have the universe if I can have Italy. We'll see about that. Oh yeah, I forgot about your whole expansionist thing. Which leads to my next thing. What the hell, man? You just poured a jar of ragu pasta sauce. Michael, you don't understand. It represents the glory of my brother Rome and wanting to be as great as him. But it isn't as good as his tomato paste. Like, not at all. He's like godlike and you're like a mere... It's the same thing, I promise. It's a ripoff. You can't rebuild the original. Everything was perfect for it to come to be. Moving on, next we have our Mussolini mushrooms. Oh, I get it. Because he was not a fun guy. Wait, what? Oh. That wasn't what you were gonna say? What are you trying to say? Nothing, just I find mushrooms a bit annoying in pasta sauce. I can respect that. What's next? Water. You're joking. Hey, Hey, whoa, what are you doing? It helps, it's the backbone, the base of the whole sauce. Why? It's my glorious army. It represents how they would pour through enemy lines, and waves upon waves of my forces would crush our enemies, who literally fought against you with spears and bows and arrows. Hey, your people were so backwards they had cavalry charge at tanks. Because they could outmaneuver the slow tanks with their fast horses, they were low on resources, and they had anti-tank guns. They weren't stupid. Anyway, moving on. No, wait a frick. I know what's the symbolic meaning of this water. The rainwater of the trenches in Belgium. Your army was backwards. You prepared for another war like World War I with loads of unversatile heavy infantry and difficult to move artillery. Units that are useful in great war situations where you get bogged down and fight in the trenches. Except World War II was nothing like World War I because of your ally, Germany. Germany, despite not having their morals in good places at all, had a great army that used the blitzkrieg and used its technological and tactical superiority to their advantage, taking down countries in months. Your mentality during the war was, okay, we got this position, now we have to dig in and set up here. What are you doing? We gotta keep going, we gotta take the capital now! But we have to hold this position for when the army comes. There's nobody here, we gotta go take the capital now! But, los! Oh jeez, that's too much screaming for one day. Oh my god, shut up! Next we have onions. Oh my god, I'm gonna cry. You're such a baby. No, it's funny, I get it. You know I cry when I see a military be forced to take orders from dictators' rich friends who aren't good at generaling. And then garlic. How did you know? But too much garlic. It's not that much. Oh, I hate you. Nona, I'm done. I'm so ready to be proven wrong. Voila, pasta representing Fascist Italy. By yours truly. Alright, let's have a bite. Terrible. Just as I expected. What? Huh? No! Wait! Ah! This is favoritism! You like Rome and all the other Italies better than me! And you even like your adopted grandson, Nerd! Anyway, after knowing how much Fascist Italy sucked in World War II, wanna see them try to invade Greece? Just kidding, they couldn't be able to do that. They had to call in the German paratroopers. Junkers, we gotta go! Oh god! Tactical roll. Alright, let's do this. Just remember, 2 lessons to be learned here is respect your elders, and that a team is only as strong as its weakest member. Friggin' group projects. Let's do this! Where am I? Oh crap. How do I get back? Oh, we won. 5-star battle.